Consider two statements S1 and S2 followed by a question. P and Q both are prime numbers. P and Q both are prime numbers. Okay. And second is P plus Q is an odd integer. Question is PQ an odd integer? Now see. P and Q both are prime numbers from 1 to 10. How many prime numbers we got? 2, 3, 5, 7. Right? P plus Q is an odd integer. P plus Q is an odd integer. Now there are some rules, some basic rules. If I add odd number to odd number, it gives me even number. And if you look at the prime numbers other than 2, all are odd. Other than 2, all are odd. So their sum is going to give me the addition as even. But they are saying that P and Q both are prime numbers and P plus Q is an odd integer. Right? Two odd numbers when added give me even number. But P plus Q is an odd integer. So that means one prime number must be 2. One prime number must be 2. And second prime number could be anything. So first prime number is 2. Let's take another as 5. These are the two prime numbers. So P plus Q became 7, which is an odd integer. So what is the question? Is PQ an odd integer? अगर P 2 है, Q 5 है, so PQ is going to give me 10. So multiplication of one even number and one odd number is going to give me even number. Is PQ an odd integer? No. PQ is not an odd integer. But I can answer this question. That means these two statements are sufficient to give me the desired answer. Right? So answer will be both S1 and S2 are necessary to answer the question. It is a question which is PQ an odd integer. That's why I can say either yes or no. I can definitely tell the answer. There is no ambiguity. I can say no definitely. That is why the answer is S1 and S2 are necessary to answer this question. Number 136 is added to 5B7 and the sum obtained is 7A3 where A and B are integers. It is given that 7A3 is exactly divisible by 3. The only possible value of B is, see, this number 136 is added to 5B7 and it gives me the sum 7A3. Right? Now they say that this 7A3 is divisible by 3. If 7A3 is divisible by 3, then I can assume a value for A. Because 3 का test क्या है? All digit का addition करो. 7 plus 3, 10. So what can be A? If 7 plus 3 is 10, then A can be 2. Or A can be 5. Or A can be 8. A can be 2, A can be 5, or A can be 8. All these three values gives me 7A3 as a divisible by 3 number. Now let's check whether by putting A as 2. So 7 plus 6 gives me 3. So carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So for A to be 2, B must be 8. Because 4 plus 8 becomes 12. So carry 1. 5 plus 2, 7. So by putting a value for A as 2, it is giving me the answer as correctly actually. So it is giving correct answer. So A can be 2. And they have asked the only possible value. So there is going to be only one value, that is 2. Value for A. Sorry, they have asked value for B, right? So when I put A2, B becomes 8, right? If you haven't read question properly, then such silly mistakes are going to happen. They have asked the question, only possible value of B is 8. You can take it as a homework. You can put A as 5, you can put A as 8, and then cross check your answer. You cannot get value for B. So only possible value for B will be 8 only. How many triplets XYZ satisfy the equation x plus y plus z is equal to 6, where x, y, and z are natural numbers, right? So how many such triplets are possible? Now here is one catch. Otherwise, they ask us that should be no repetition and all. They haven't asked me that x, y, and z are distinct or they can be same. If they haven't given me any condition, then I can take as distinct as well as similar. So first such combination will be x, y, z ka 1, 2, 3, and all the iterations using these 3 letters, right? There will be 6, 3 factorial. So 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. First condition I have applied, I have kept x, y, and z as distinct letters. Now, another options will be 1, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1. Right? I can take x and y as similar, or I can take x and z as similar, right? And third will be, because sum must be 6, right? So only that conditions needs to be fulfilled. And third will be 2, 2, and 2. Again, sum is 6. They haven't told me that x and y, x, y, z are same or different. So I can take all the possibilities. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there will be how many triplets? 10 triplets will be there which fulfill this condition, right? Now, it's a question from BODMAS. That is, what is BODMAS? It is the sequence of doing mathematical operations, right? Sequence of doing mathematical operations. And what is the long form? B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Just they have used some symbols for those operators. If dollar means divided by, at the rate means multiplied by, hashtag means minus, then the value of 10 hashtag 5 at the rate $1 5 is 1. So 10 hashtag का मतलब है, hashtag means minus 5 at the rate means multiplied by 1 and dollar means divided by 5 is equal to what, right? So our BODMAS rules tells us that division must be done. So 10 minus 5 into, so 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 by 5. So this 5 gets cancelled. So 10 minus 1, it is 9. So answer will be option number D, that is 9. An 8-digit number 4252746B leaves remainder 0 when divided by 3. How many? 3 के डिवीजन पे कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछते, एक ही तो टेस्ट है उसका. Just add the digits. How many values of B are possible, right? So there can be multiple values of B that are possible. Just add remaining digits. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, plus 2 13, plus 7 20, plus 4 24, plus 6 30. So addition 30 आ गया है. So B का क्या वैल्यू होगा, ऐसा वैल्यू चाहिए, so that addition also will be divisible by 3, right? So B can be 3, B can be 6, B can be 9, and B also can be 0. Even I take B as 0 because otherwise the addition is 30. If I take B 0, then the addition will remain 30, which is again divisible by 3. So by putting values for B as 0 or 3 or 6 or 9, all the options give me that this number is divisible by 3. So how many values are there? 4. How many values of B are possible? There are 4 possible values of B. So these are the basic questions from number system as well as the problems related to number system, test of divisibility, etc. In our next video, we'll cover some more important chapters that are related to basic arithmetic as well as other chapters such as which need some proper method like distance and time, like work and time, like average, percentage, or some chapters from reasoning also. So just stay tuned and just we have only 10 days to go for the examination. So these are very important things because as you can see, questions are recurring and the same types of questions are asked in every year. So these basics are needed to be covered. So thank you all. Let's meet in our next video. Yes.